Scout, which way do you think we should go?
I'd say we go this way.
I don't like this way. I want to go straight up.
I want to go this way.
Oh, that's where I want to go.
Hey, Scout, what do you think?
Oh, a firefly, guys! A firefly! My hand.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Scout, what's happening, buddy? How you doing, buddy?
Yeah, bug.
What do you think, Mad?
I think we should go that way.
You think we should go that way? Tell Scout that you think you should go that way.
Scout,
We should go that way.
Okay. Well, why don't you lead off, Maddie?
Okay.
All right,
Walk us
Scout.
down the trail.
Scout, why don't you follow? Call Scout.
Hey, Scout.
Scout. Scout.
Come on. Oh, he's going that way.
He said, okay, I'm going that way.